Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start and complete the post-birth quest 1 in Abyss Roblox. So the Valentine updates is in Abyss now, it's live, and the post-birth is the best way to farm Valentine's tickets. So I'm going to show you exactly where to find the NPC and how you can finish your quest. So first, to start the quest, you need to talk to this NPC called Bird. You need to talk to him, and after that you'll get the quest. So for the quest in here, you need to just deliver a love letter to Valeria. So let's just go back to the Forgotten Deep and talk to Valeria, or give the letter to her to finish the quest. Okay, so you can just here talk to Valeria and give the letter to her. Hold the letter for first and click on give love letter. Okay, now you finish the quest. You can just talk to the post bird again and you'll get the rewards. And let's see what the rewards are. Okay, let's talk to the post bird again and just click on I've completed your quest, and let's see. Okay, I think you need to finish another quest to get the rewards. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.